Alright, so my name is Natalie Foster and this is my video presentation. I went ahead and wrote down Newton's law of cooling up at the top here, and I've written down my givens. We have the temperature at the time of T, the temperature of the room, the temperature of the object, K, and T. I came to T equals 1 because we are given 2 times, 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. and there is an hour difference, so that is how I came up with 1 for T. So here I'm going to go ahead and we are looking for negative K right now. So we subtract 70 from both sides here, we get 5. 80 minus 70 is 10, and we bring down our E negative K, and then I'm just going to leave it as negative K because negative K times 1 is just stays the same. And then we divide both sides by 10. Alright, and that gives us a half. And we bring down our E and our negative K. And to get rid of our E, we have to natural log both sides of the equation and get rid of that. And we are left with the natural log of 1/2 equals negative K, and we can divide by -1 on both sides and get K equals the negative natural log of 1/2. And that's how we find K. So we're going to go ahead and take K and plug it into the equation again, but this time we are going to look for T. Alright, so I went ahead and erased our board, and I went ahead and replugged in all of the givens, but now we have K, which I'm going to just go ahead and erase here. 1/2, alright. And since it was already negative, and negative is positive, so it is positive ln 1/2 T. So now we are looking for T. We're going to do the same exact process. I went ahead and replaced this with the average body temperature of humans. This number is replaced with the average body temperature of humans. Yeah, and so we go ahead and subtract that from 70, or we subtract those two numbers to get 28.6 E, and then we have our ln 1/2 and T. Alright, so then we divide both sides by this number, 0.6, that cancels. Alright, and we're left with our E ln 1/2, and we go ahead and natural both these sides to cancel our E right there. So then we're left with ln 5/28.6 equals ln 1/2 T. And to find T, we're going to divide both sides by this ln 1/2. That cancels, and if you do that in your calculator, you get the number 2.516015147. Alright, so T equals that number, which is also equivalent to 2 hours and 30 minutes. And if you subtract that from the last given time, which was 5 p.m., minus 2 hours and 30 minutes, that equals exactly 2:30 p.m. was the time of death. There you go.